Why do we do a hackathon? Well, I mean, we're not alive for that long and we work really hard. We're always in the office. Why don't we take a break from our sort of day-to-day and see if we can do other things? It brings us together as a company and that's truly valuable.
We are team spin it to win it. It's going to be a wheel, kind of like Wheel of Fortune. You spin it. We're operating under the mantra that people like to spin things.
We had a hardware team project which was to take our existing AeroPoint hardware and rewire it as an electrocution device. You know, there's like this kind of joke but not joke geofence.
On a Friday, when we are deciding which pub to go to for Friday pub lunch, there are pubs that are inside the geofence and pubs that are outside an acceptable geofence. At the minute this exists only inside Rory's head, and so we are solidifying that into one shocking product.
So Propeller helps construction companies track how much earth they're moving across their sites. So how much material have I moved, how much do I need to move, how fast am I moving it, when am I going to finish? These are questions that everyone has, and we help construction companies and mines and quarries do that using images from drones that we stitch together into big 3D maps.
When I joined, it was February 2018 and I think we had 35 people and now we're about 80. It's crazy.
We get the work done and we have a great time doing it together.
We want people who come and think outside the box and just really thrive. People have been putting marks on the ground and getting accurate coordinates for probably 30 years. No one's ever done the AeroPoints. We're actually trying to capture the 3D world, you know, getting centimetre grade positions from 400 feet in the air, from flying robots.
The work is incredibly interesting. We're working with cutting edge technologies in ways that basically haven't been done before.
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a really good team. The challenges are always changing. We're growing really quickly.
I think we have really great people and really great people attract really great people. I want it to be more than a job.
Good thing about Propeller is like we have an idea and we can get it built in a very short period of time.
A customer said, I would die if you took Propeller away from me. And so to hear non-technical people, like just everyday people on these work sites saying that is incredible to me.
I think I've progressed a lot ever since I joined.
The thing that just shocks me, so just walking upstairs after that hackathon, is how incredibly talented our people are. I think the idea that you just give people more freedom and more amazing things happen is a beautiful cycle that we have here at Propeller. And one of our guys in Denver, he sent me one message during that hackathon and he just said, we have great people. And I think like, I saw that like as I was watching some amazing presentation, yes, like this is exactly it. I love this team.